Today I'm talking about something that is very important in human relationship. It is our relationship with each other that makes us happy or unhappy. And we must find out what are those things that make us happy and those things that make us unhappy. Because the prime destination of human being is to be happy. All of us are searching for happiness. Is there anything else you are searching for? Physical happiness, emotional happiness, mental happiness, and the spiritual happiness. Dedication is one of factors that makes us happy. What is a dedication? Dedication is the focus of your soul. Listen very carefully. Dedication is the focus, concentration of your soul on an object or on a person that is far ahead of you, and he is performing a great responsibility, and you want to take part with that responsibility. I will repeat. See, dedication is not attachment. Dedication is focus of your soul energy. For example, if you are dedicated to a person, you are not dedicated with your physical, emotional, mental nature, but with your soul. It is so different. Or you are dedicated to a great responsibility. For example, you want to bring peace on earth. That's a great object. And how to bring that peace on earth? With all dedication. And what dedication does for you? Dedication mobilizes all your spiritual energies and makes your physical, emotional, mental bodies work in a way that you really serve to the purpose towards which you are dedicated. Did you get that? Is it easy? A little bit. You see, attachment is totally different. In attachment, you are losing your emotional energies. If you are attached to a person, you are using your emotional energies for some benefit. Physical benefit, emotional benefit, mental benefit, even you want for protection. Attachment makes you protected with that person. But dedication to that person is not expectation. You don't expect anything from a person to which you are dedicated, to whom you are dedicated. It is so different. Attachment is for me. How I can be happy with him or her, how I can manipulate him or her, how I can get benefit from his position, possessions. But if you come to the dedication, dedication is all giving. There is no expectation. But of course, all joy and happiness of relationship is included in your dedication.